Hello, everyone. This is Brendan from the Credit Repair Experts. And today we're going to be talking about a special part of Title 15 of US Code. This pertains to the title of code involving credit transactions and consumer protection. So today we're going to be looking at 15 US Code 1602. We're going to be looking at the definitions today because there's a couple pieces of information I want to reveal to you guys. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this item G right here. The term creditor refers only to a person who both regularly extends, whether in connection with loans, sales of property or services, or otherwise, consumer credit, which is payable by agreement in more than 4 installments, or for which the payment of a finance charge is or may be required, and is the person to whom the debt arising from the consumer credit transaction is initially payable on the face of the evidence of indebtedness, or if there is no evidence of indebtedness by agreement. Okay, this is very important because in reality, there is no evidence of indebtedness that the bank can provide for you. We're going to look at a business card application, and it has all the standard things, the name of the company, or an issuing to the following individuals, their name and all that. But I want you to take notice of a very special item on here: social security number. Okay. Why do they need your social security number? If you know from any of y'all who are a little bit older, y'all know that social security cards say on them, not for identification purposes. So if it's not used for identification, what is the social security card used for? Well, we can find that out by looking at the definition of credit card under this title. The term credit card means any card, plate, coupon book, or other credit device existing for the purpose of obtaining money, property, labor, or services on credit. So that means this not only includes mortgages, bank notes, but that also includes your social security card. Your social security card falls under the definition of credit card under 15 US Code 1602. Okay. And this same definition also applies in other federal law as well, like the Consumer Protection and Debt Collection Practices Act or the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Okay. So this is how the banks and other creditors or alleged creditors are getting away with extending your credit and then making you payment simply by this word right here. Since there is no evidence of indebtedness, just because you agree to pay them, they're now the creditor and you pay them. But in all actuality, you are the creditor. So you must let them know that, hey, this money really belongs to me. And if you need help doing that, we will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time.